it's like a minimum order of 25 pounds or something. 25 pounds of hot dogs, that lasted.
Here.
It's a lot of hot dogs.
My summer sausage didn't last at all. I
Cooper.
still got some breakfast.
Cooper, get him.
Last year, but the summer sausage was gone. Every time I took it somewhere, everybody ate all of it. Take it, cut it up. It was gone.
Bigger.
Even people that don't like nuts.
Yeah.
Here. Hi, buddy.
I don't like puppies, do you, Claire?
I do like puppies.
Hey, Jaeger, get off the couch.
Hey, get out.
Get out. Get out. Hey, get out. Get
Cooper.
down.
Yeah, like, yeah.
Yeah, I
Jaeger.
can go home.
Jaeger, come here. Hi.
He thinks he can do it at home. He can do it.
Hi. There it comes.
Oh,
Oh,
he's getting a drink of water. He'll be a while. This idiot drinks enough water for 2 dogs.
He'll, in his last drink, he'll take a big gulp, but none of it will go down his throat. And then he walks through the house and leaves like
That's what he
a
does.
river of water through the house.
That's what he does.
Hey, hold swallow that.
Jaeger.
Cooper, drop the ball, for Pete's sake.
He gets it all over his lips and then it dribbles all over
Doesn't
the
know
place.
Give it.
Come on. Jaeger. Jaeger, sit. Jaeger, sit. Sit. Jaeger.
Oh,
Jaeger.
he saw it.
Jaeger, sit. Jaeger, sit. 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 Good boy. Shake. Wait. Stay. Shake. What?
The dog is not a dog.
I'm not. Okay. Jaeger. Go ahead. Go, buddy.
Hey, Jaeger.
Oh, look, no. He tries to get the cat to play with him all the time, but you don't have anything to do with it.
No.
Get
The
him.
house we got him from, they didn't.
Cooper, get
Those
him.
cats were just terrorists to those dogs.
Oh, really?
I was there for about an hour signing papers and stuff to pick them up. And watching this cat, or these cats, I mean, they'd sneak up behind the dogs and they'd slap them with their paws. They'd slap them right in the ass and then run away.
Oh, really?
And the puppies would like turn around and be like, what the? Some of the puppies got it and they would play, but other puppies had no idea what was going on.
Right.
It's hilarious. So when he got here and we had this cat, when he got here and he wanted to play, he saw a cat and he wanted to play. Wasn't happening.
No, right.
Hey, your dog's got a long ass tail.
Doesn't he?
Just looking at that, like, holy,
I hope you don't grow into it.
it's so long.
I know it. Everybody says the same thing. I'm hoping he doesn't grow into the damn thing. You ready in the back seat? On the way down, he woke up about St. Louis for about half an hour and was running around the back of the car and I made him lay down again. Because I don't like him up running around. So. But on the way back, he slept all the way home. So.
Jaeger, get him.
Nothing.
Get him, Jaeger.
On Wednesday, staying there for a while. Her cat was terrorizing him. Sneaking up on him and just attacking him. And she wasn't playing. Fortunately, she didn't have any claws, so it wasn't serious, but she was
Jaeger, come here.
on her back and she was.
Come here,
"In my
buddy.
face, what are you doing here?" You know, basically. I chased the cat off a couple times.
Get him.
And he didn't know what to do. He didn't want to play.
Sure. How's the training?
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He knows not to pee on the couch.
Huh?
He knows not to pee on the couch or the floor. Got all that figured out?
Pretty much. I mean, every once in a while he still does it, but
Yeah.
it's like he asks to go outside and then he goes over and piddles a little bit. And he's like, jerk, I wasn't fast enough, I guess. Hurry up. So, but he hasn't pooped in the house. Oh, he's only pooped in the house a couple times.
Yeah, Cooper's saying he only did it like once.
Yeah.
Get him.
And then we didn't want him to do it.